Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we're going to be doing a pheasant dish. And so we're going to do a lemon and rosemary roasted dish with it. Like always, it's a nice, easy dish, but it brings out a lot of the flavor in the animal that we took. We're going to get started by putting a little bit of olive oil into our Carolina cooker 8-quart enamel pot and get it up to about a medium heat. So we're going to season our pheasant. Our pheasant was brined for about 6 to 8 hours in a very simple brine recipe. The brine is also going to help keep the bird moist and not dry out whenever we put it into the oven. And we're going to season it with salt and pepper. While this oil has gotten fairly hot in our pot right here, we're going to go ahead and put them breast side down to go ahead and get a little sear mark on them. We're going to give them about 2 minutes on each side to go ahead and get them a nice sear and dark color on here. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and cut the heat off. We're going to position these with the breast side up. We're going to put in half of a white onion, rough chop. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of garlic, the juice of 1 whole lemon and the lemon itself. And then we're going to lay some whole rosemary across the top of this. Now this is really going to get the flavor kind of imparted on here, because when we put it in the oven, we're actually going to leave the lid on it. And we're going to bake it for about 30 minutes. You want the internal temperature to be about 165, 170 before you serve it. All right, we went ahead and took it out of the oven here. Now we're going to let this rest for a couple minutes before we cut into it, and that'll allow the juices to kind of settle out. But this is a fantastic way to present this bird. And as always, it's great to take wild game out in the field, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.